Hello everyone, my name is Charanaditya. So today we are going to see about poultry, meat and fish process technology subject. So in that we are going to see egg processing. So yes, first first topic we are going to see is formation of eggs. How the eggs are formed in the reproductive tract of female chicken. That is, which is also called as a hen. So the reproductive tract is divided into two major parts, ovary and oviduct. So the ovary contain where the yolk is added when it reaches the right size. Then the yolk is released from the ovary, which is the process called as ovulation. The released yolk is then picked up by the infundibulum. That there is a region which is called as infundibulum. So after the infundibulum is absorbing the yolk, inside that region, fertilization takes place. Then the yolk passes to the magnum region. That is the second region. After the infundibulum region, magnum region is the second region. So where albumin is formed, that is egg white. Egg white is formed and it takes around 3 hours to be formed. Then after magnum region, then it goes to the isthmus region where addition of shell membrane happens. So we know when we boil and see the egg, there is a soft layer, whitish tissue like layer. So that is shell membrane. So it takes around 1.25 hours to form that layer. So that forms in the region of isthmus. Then that is very thin layer between egg white and shell like tissue paper, as I told. So after that, egg reaches the hen's uterus, known as the shell gland, where the shell is added to the egg. The hard shell is added to the egg. So till now we saw the how the yolk is formed. Then the next stage is egg white, that is albumin is formed. Then uh, yes, after albumin, the shell membrane forms. After shell membrane, shell is formed. Where in the um, in the shell region. So shell gland. Yes. So shell formation takes around 19 hours. And after the cell formation, pigment is added. So according to the breed, whether it is a country breed or a normal chicken breed, so according to the breed, the pigment is added. So for country bred chickens, um, there is brown color formation in the shell, as well as there is a slight color change in the inside. Okay, so the brown pigment added, which is added in the last, which is added as last in the shell formation process. Only surface, where only surface is brown and inside is white. In the blue pigment added, which is added initially, outside and inside both are in blue color. Then after green pigment. So green pigment is a combination of both blue and brown pigments. So as we saw in the previous slide, these are the different varieties, and I mean different varieties which produce different colors, different color pigments, eggs. So we can see brown as well as blue in this. Then so the parts are not over yet. The last one is bloom. So the last blue layer of egg formation in egg formation is the bloom. So it is a protective layer or cuticle that covers eggshell, and last layer, that is the last layer which is added in egg formation. So it is added after the eggs leave the uterus, right before it exits from the hen's vent. This coating seals out bacteria and maintains moisture inside the egg. So the purpose of the bloom is to maintain moisture content inside the egg and seal out bacteria. So this is the pictorial representation of the process formation of eggs. So in the chicken reproductive tract, as you can see, uh, the infundibulum region, where the yolk is formed. After that, after the infundibulum region absorbs the yolk, fertilization takes place. So after fertilization, it goes to the next region, that is the magnum region, where egg white is formed. As you can see from the starting, a thin layer of white is formed, albumin is formed. After that the layer develops bigger and bigger while it travels. So it takes around 3 hours. Then after that, isthmus layer, where the shell membrane is formed. Shell membrane, after the shell membrane is formed, shell is formed in the shell gland. So after the completion of egg formation, that is approximately from 21 hours to 23 hours, it exits the uterus of the hen. So that's a topic about uh, uh, chicken egg formation. Thank you.